What are you guys doing? What's up?
Just chilling, dude. Get some coffee.
Hey, thanks for having us, bro. Appreciate it.
All the time, bro.
And sir, thanks for the trim.
Hey.
I thought I parked my bike there, but
Let's check it out.
Got him!
what the hell is that?
Total surprise. Oil change.
You changed my oil?
Totally changed the oil.
You guys put new Motul in my bike?
We did. We put new Motul on your bike.
Yeah, that's good oil.
It is good oil.
So, but that was a prank?
Yeah, we're not, I mean, we were the smartest. We're creative.
Gotcha, okay.
Can you guys prank me next time?
Yeah. Hey, thanks for pranking me.
Can you prank me?
Yeah, who wants to be pranked by Standard next?
Yeah. It should be a monthly thing. Prank somebody per month.
That's right, that's right.
Appreciate it, man.
Catch y'all later.
Thank you, guys.
Later. We'll be back. Hello. Hello.
What's up, man?
You ready? Yeah. Dude, I want Forrest's bike. I do too. It's cool. I'm not gonna lie. Yeah, nice. Dude, that shit is like an Erick size Grom. I like it. You can put like there's a rally kit for it. I like the GS version. That's probably, I'm gonna look into it more now.
All right, you guys can go ahead if y'all want to lead. I'll be in the back.
Orlando Harley Davidson. So where are we going? Orlando Harley Davidson.
Yeah, like you just said it.
You have to say it all in one word, like Barack Obama.
Orlando Harley Davidson.
Orlando Harley Davidson.
Orlando Harley Davidson.
Is that a Chick-fil-A button on the ground back there?
I thought you said, was that a Chick-fil-A button on his Grom? I was gonna be like, is that the Pizza Hut button on the shoes, where you press it and it automatically orders it to wherever you are?
What? That's a thing on shoes?
Yeah.
Sounds weird.
I mean, I don't understand why they would do that with Pizza Hut of all things, but you know.
I want one.
People be what they be.
I want a Pizza Hut.
I want one.
Hey,
You can move it a franchise. Not that hard to make grease sponge.
yeah. It is pretty greasy.
So you gotta dab it with a paper towel.
I don't think dabbing. You have to roll it up and squeeze.
Oh,
Hey guys.
shit. What's
Hey
up?
guys, it's hot.
Get hot.
This is a new episode. What up, Blockheads? Riding back from Standard, we're going to Orlando Harley Davidson to Chromecoming. Them basically showing off the new 2019s. We got riding with Raj up front. We got Bagger Bro, aka Eric. We got Forrest on twos. And then we got Jon Duckhead. Hey, Jon Duckhead. He hasn't been around in a while. He's been busy with school. And on comms with me, as you guys heard, is Eric and Raj.
Yeah. I mean, I've been busy with school. I still make an effort to show up.
Yeah, you also live right beside me, though.
That's true. That's not false.
Yeah. Duckhead lives in like way north Orlando, and Eric, you're in what, like southeast Orlando?
Are you in Hunters Creek or Kissimmee?
I am in Puerto Rico.
Okay, so Poinciana.
Hey, no.
Dang.
No, I'm very, very south Orlando.
Puerto Rico.
Dang.
I mean, there is a lot of, you know, very good Spanish food down there where you
Oh
live.
yeah. Oh,
Yo,
yeah.
it's like delicious Spanish food down there.
Like super crazy.
Well, sorry, it'd be Hispanic.
Dude, whose bike is that?
Mine.
That keeps backfiring?
Oh, no, that's not me.
Oh, I think it was Forrest.
Forrest be popping locking.
I could feel it like against my helmet, like boom. boom. It's like somebody was thumping my visor.
Now you know how I feel when I'm fucking next to your bike. And
Yeah.
all I feel is like push into my shit, and I'm like, what the f is that?
Yeah, notice how I'm in the back. That's so I'm not killing you guys.
Thanks, guy. Why is the wind hot?
It's called Florida summer.
Did you see that Universal? I know this is a little bit out of there, but did you see that Universal commercial that's been on recently on like Hulu and shit, where it's like, oh, Florida fall, just like Florida summer, except a little later. And later on, there'll be Florida winter, which is a lot cooler than Florida summer. Just kidding. It's Florida. I'm like, it's true.
Yeah, it's just always hot. I don't know if you guys knew, according to people that live up north, our riding season is actually all year round.
That's bullshit.
That's a lie.
That's a lie. That's
No?
a damn lie.
You guys don't agree with that?
No,
No.
not even a little bit.
Why not?
Because I'm dying right now slowly in this heat.
Yeah, it's hot as hell right now.
Yeah, I'm having to change my oil like every, 1,000 miles because the shit's just like black.
So my temperature says it's like 90 degrees right now. but with humidity and all the rest of that stuff, probably feels like the heat index the other day was like 104.
Yep. There's only one place that I've ever been that's hotter than here, and that was Dubai. And it would be 114 degrees outside with 91% humidity.
Yep.
That's gross.
Yeah, you walk outside and you're just immediately drenched.
Damn.
I've done like really like dry heat. Like I've been in Death Valley, around 114 or 120. But it's like dry. No, you don't. I mean, you sweat, but it evaporates immediately. So it's like,
Dude, Miss Block and I we were in Arizona.
yeah.
It's also the same thing. Like, it's really hot, but it was like really dry heat. And dude, I got a nosebleed just like randomly.
Oh yeah, dude. It's dry. Yeah, you barely touch your nose. Don't even think about sticking the finger up in there, dude.
Yeah. My elbows were getting all ashy. I'm like, what the hell is happening? It's like my Florida skin, you know, is like getting all dried out.
Yeah,
It's like, what the hell?
You're like the swamp monster spending too much time on land.
Yeah.
You definitely got to lotion up over there.
It's like, I never use lotion. It's like, unless I'm in the desert.
Right?
That's a strange sentence. I never use lotion unless I'm in the desert.
You don't think about living here and the humidity being like good for your skin, you know, but I mean it actually is, you know, it keeps you hydrated or not hydrated,
man.
but
why the fuck
moist,
do you think all of these
moist.
old white women move here?
Yeah. It's so good for my skin. I don't have to use the baby lotion anymore.
Oh, God.
That's what an old white woman sounds like, by the way.
Okay.
That's
Oh, Raj, that's a very lovely motorcycle that you have with those luggage bags on the back. What does
Thank
it
you.
say? Get off your phone?
that's what the?
Ooh.
That motherfucker.
Dang, what the hell is that?
You got some foam.
He kill switched me too. He kill switched me
Yeah.
while he was doing a good deed.
It did a good deed and kill switched you.
I'm not gonna lie, that's a really power move.
Multitasking.
I missed you, Duckhead. I missed you.
Alright, moving. Is everybody alive?
Yep.
Okay.
I thought I was gonna eat the back of that van. Look at the dog taking a shit.
It's like a random dog.
Yeah, that was one thing that I really kind of I've never had a dog. So taking care of Pedro's dog a couple weeks ago. That dog, whenever it takes a shit, it just looks so sad and vulnerable while it's doing it. It looks you in the eyes, and you're like,
It's like, you know what it's
looking.
exactly? It's saying stop looking at me.
You gotta sit there like pet him on the top of the head. That's a good boy. Dropping a dude.
In his head, he's thinking, this is awkward. Stop touching me while I'm pooping.
Yeah. A big ass mojon. You know.
Mahone?
You know what a mojon is?
No.
Big old triumphant turd.
I used to know this couple, and they were both like models. Like that's what they did for their job, was models. Weirdest couple ever. They would, whenever one of them had to shit, both of them would go sit in the bathroom, and one of them would take a shit while the other one just sat in the tub and talked to them.
That's weird.
I don't see a problem with that.
That's
and like
weird.
with the door wide open. So I'm like living with these guys, and I like walk by, and they just be sitting there. I'm like, what? This is like seeing these two, like, you know, Adonis-y looking people just taking a shit and talking to each other. It's just such a strange thing.
I guess they were just really comfortable with one another, huh?
They've probably been to prison.
But you said they were models?
Yeah.
That's weird.
That's what they do.
They're just so like secure with themselves that they poop in front of each other.
Yeah.
Sure was nice of Standard to prank me with an oil change.
I know, right?
Yeah, man. It was. I'm not gonna lie. I can't take all the credit for the idea, but I definitely now understand two things: how to change my oil and what a prank is.
Yeah. Like, oh wait, a prank is a good deed? Well, what the hell is a good deed then?
I thought that was a prank.
I'm moving over to the right.
Copy that as well.
And then this guy.
Oh, okay. Just, you know, chilling both lanes, bro. It's cool. Oh, it's. I can't say what it is.
I'll tell. It's that. What is it called? No.
Because it is.
Yes. And then what is it called?
It's
like,
not if it's actually happening right now.
Yeah.
Get out of our way, fellas.
No.
Nah, no,
Oh,
no.
look, another 7-Eleven.
No.
Miss Scusi.
Another 7-Eleven? Dude, they're everywhere.
Hey man, you can't lie. Them taquitos.
Yeah, they're pretty good, but you know, make you sit on the chair. That you heard that the Bubble Guts song?
What's the bubblegum song?
How's it go? How's it go?
I got the Bubble Guts. The Bubble Guts. You never heard that?
Oh, the bubble guts.
Stop
I thought you said bubble gum.
Yeah, I think
Bubble Guts.
The BGs.
Yeah,
man.
guys like,
Alright.
stop the 7-Eleven, got myself a taquito.
No, I haven't heard that. I mean, until just now when you sang it
Oh my
perfectly
God.
in pitch.
I'll drop a clip of it in this recording right here.
I was feeling kinda hungry and I had nothing to eat, so I went to 7-Eleven, bought a taquito. A funny feeling started taking over me though. I started sweating like I was shooting a free throw.
We'll watch it whenever we get to Orlando Harley
Yay.
in the air conditioning.
Oh no, I like these draws, but I can't poop in here, I don't like these stalls. I gotta clench it up with a lock and a chain, or else I'll take a viral that chocolate rain.
Yo, there's gonna be free food, right?
I know there's gonna be food. I don't know if it's free.
Yeah, I guess it's gonna be like they used to do where they'd have the bike nights and it'd be like vendors come in and sell their shit.
Yeah.
Watch out, lady.
Oh yeah. Cut it.
I mean, it's, oh shit.
Oh wow, Jesus.
Oh shit. I thought that was neutral.
It wasn't.
That was first.
Hey bro.
I did a Raj.
Wow.
Dang.
It's okay. I'll be the subject of the roast today. That's fine.
Roasting with Raj.
Roasting. Sorry, I've seen us say a command.
Yeah, it does that shit.
Damn it.
Say a command. No, I don't. Stop it.
It's like,
I want you
shut
to stop
up,
it.
shut up, Santa.
Go away.
My command is for you to never do that again.
Go away.
Yo, Block and I were talking about this the other day. It's kind of nuts because I feel like it's always a different word that sets it off.
Yeah, dude, right? Like,
Yeah, you said what, snow the other day or something in it?
Yeah,
Dude?
the first time it was snow, and then the second time it was definitely not snow. But I kept trying to repeat the words that I was saying, and like the sentence that I was saying, and it wouldn't do it again.
banana. Say a command. What?
Yeah.
I thought it did it for a second. I was like, God damn.
Say a command. Yeah, I turned mine off.
Yeah, I'm gonna do that.
I did.
I thought it would be really useful if we could get it to work right.
Yeah.
Obviously, we can't get it to work right.
Well, you gotta learn all the commands and stuff. So
Need gas? Yeah, John needs gas.
I could use some gas too. Should we just go up to that 7-Eleven?
That's where he's going.
man, I'm going AC.
Yeah, I'm going to AC too.
I think he knows.
We'll see you guys there.
Fuck you!
I think he knows where Harley is.
Yep. Bye, Raj. Buying with Raj.
Raj, turn off your Cena. It's gonna get nasty and crackly.
Yeah, turn off your center, bro. Nope. Is he still there?
I'm here. What are you doing, guy? You gonna go buy a Carvana car? Get it.
Carvana. So don't you like buy the car online and then you...
You could, yeah, you could do that or the kiosk or something like that.
Weird.
Get up here, Block. I need you up front and center
Okay.
so we can get it premier parking.
Yeah. Ooh, motorcycles. Oh shit, it's Santa.
Santa.
He even has reindeer antlers on his bike.
Oh, over there next to homeboy's truck. Right there. Yeah. You gonna back it in?
Yep.
Such a gangster. We're a little close to you there.
You good? Up here at Orlando Harley Davidson for Chromecoming. We're gonna grab some food, see some peoples, and get in some air conditioning because it's hot.
Yeah. I'm dying. Taking the helmet off. Bye.
Yeah, same.
Trying to cover my tattoo while riding. When did you start wearing fatal?
Found it at Cycle Gear.
What?
I like it. It's a good design.
Yeah.
I like the design of that shirt though.
That one's good. That's like
that shirt's nice. Raj, where'd you get that?
I got it off eBay.
It's totally a Chinese one though, because I don't sell them on eBay.
This dude's slinging them on the corner. Yeah, there was also some dude selling them with like you get one with every DVD. It's of this guy crashing on a Grom. Was it on a go-kart track? Yeah.
Oh yeah.
Next time on Forrest Moto. Forrest Chero.
They need to raise the headlight.
I'm gonna set up a GoFundMe so y'all can help me pay off my Road King so I can buy this.
You do not believe how many people I've banned from the channel for posting their GoFundMe links to buy a motorcycle? Get a job, you jerks. Like the rest of us.
I was just kidding.
You make a GoFundMe to go get me a new Grom.
Yeah. Get a job, Eric. Damn it.
Get a job, Grouch.
GoFundMe. Help me buy a new motorcycle. And be like, no.
Get out of here.
Fuck out of here. And sold.